Hello and welcome again. So this is where we left up on the previous tutorial. So right here, the number one, we have the top type HTML, if you remember, which tells us that this is an HTML5 document. We have HTML, which is the start of the document. We have the head, which tells us the information, which contains the information of the page, like the title. The title is just the title of the page. We could also have some other information about the page on the head. And then we have the body. This body is where we see the content, what we actually see on the page, the content of the page. So right here we have some tags. On this tutorial I talk about elements. So in HTML, elements can also be called tags. So for example, the doc type HTML is an element tag that declares that HTML5 is that we are coding on it with HTML5, writing with the current version of HTML, which is HTML5. Body is a tag and also an element. So right here in the body we have, this is my first page. This is my first page. I can decide to wrap it around the tag, around the p tag, which is the paragraph tag. I'm telling my browser that this is not just a text, this is a paragraph, and so the browser is going to wrap it around. I'm going to wrap it and treat it like a paragraph. So if I press play, I'm going to see something like this. Now you might be wondering, what's the difference between what we had before in the previous in the first lesson and this. So if I take the paragraph away and then I press the enter button and I write, this is another paragraph. Since I don't have the paragraph tag, the browser will not be able to differentiate these two, will not be able to differentiate if they are different tags, different paragraph, even though they are on different lines. So if I press the play button, you see they are all on one line. So the easiest way to tell the browser how to treat this paragraph is by using the paragraph tag. So right here I'll just put a p tag, and at the end I'll close it. And also here, down here, I'll put a p tag, and at the end I'll just close the tag. So now I have, this is my first paragraph which is wrapped around the p tag, and this is another paragraph which is wrapped around another p tag. So if I run it now, if I press the play button, I have this is my first paragraph, this is another paragraph, all in separate line. So paragraphs are one of many tags that we have. So for the large heading, especially if you're reading newspapers and the rest, you see these large headings. So we can actually describe the structure of the large heading by using H1 to H6. As you can see, Handwriter Free is telling me, okay, we have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 up to H6. So for the largest tag, I can use H6. So I can say this is my page. Then I can close my H1 tag. So the H1 has an opening tag and the closing tag. The P tag has an opening tag and the closing tag. So if I press the play button here, I should have that big large text. This is my page, and then this is my first paragraph, this is another paragraph. So this is basically how we work with header tags and the paragraph tag, and in the next class we talk more on other tags that we have. My name is Collins David. Like, subscribe, follow.